Hi, thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I am so happy that you're here. I'm about to teach you how to make the best strawberry lemonade from scratch to kick off the summer. The official first day of summer is June 20th, the day I'm posting this, and I just wanted to start it off right. I have made this probably 3 times in the last week because everyone that comes to our house and myself and my boyfriend, we just keep sucking it down. It's like water. It is so good. It is sweet and tart and strawberry and lemon and delicious, and you just have to try it. So first I'm going to start out with 1/2 pound of strawberries. You can do a little less, a little more, depending on how much you want, how much of that strawberry flavor and strawberry sweetness you want, but I just do 1/2 pound. I start by cutting off the tops and then cutting them into 4s, and I put them into this container, and I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of sugar over the top and then cover it and put it in the fridge. You're going to want to do this first to give the strawberry and sugars time to basically like juicify. That syrup is going to pull, or that sugar is going to pull all of the juices and sweetness out of the strawberries, and it's going to mix all together and make a really awesome, simple syrup for you while you're doing the rest of the stuff. So now I'm going to be cutting my lemons in half. I personally do have an automatic citrus juicer. You can kind of see it over to the side there, but you can also use a hand juicer if you're just gonna make this once or whatever. I got this electric juicer from Walmart probably like 5 years ago. I think it was around $10 or $12, and I love it so much because I do make fresh juices a lot, but if that's not your thing, just get a hand juicer. They're less than $5. It did take me 10 lemons to get 2 cups of lemon juice. That is what we need, is 2 full cups of fresh lemon juice. So it just kind of depends on the size of the lemons, how juicy they are, but just go ahead and start juicing until you get 2 cups of lemon juice. So now that we have 2 cups of lemon juice, I do like to remove the pulp. You don't have to, but I just like to because I don't like the texture of it. But if it doesn't bother you, just totally skip this step. I will just use some sort of container like this measuring cup and then a fine mesh strainer and start straining it. It only takes about 3 rounds to get through the full 3 cups, so it takes like 3 minutes. It's really not that bad. And then I'm working the pulp around with the spoon so that the juice can go through the strainer. I just kind of have to move the pulp around because it's kind of clogging up the strainer, but yeah, it just takes a few extra minutes to get the pulp out, and then we are good to go. Now we have a low pulp 2 cups of lemon juice, and you're gonna need 2 cups of sugar and 8 cups of water. I like to use hot water because it makes the sugar dissolve super fast, but you can also just use regular water and just stir it like a little bit longer. So into the pitcher it goes, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of lemon juice, and 8 cups of hot water. Give it a little stir, and then I'm going to put that in the fridge as well. I'm gonna let that sit in the fridge, and the strawberries are also in the fridge, just everything's working, doing its thing with the strawberries. The lemonade is going to be cooling off in the fridge for us, and then an hour later I'm going to pull them both out, give those strawberries a stir, and then throw the strawberries and this awesome simple syrup that was made and dump it right in, and boom, you have the most delicious, the most, not nutritious probably, but you have the most delicious, easiest homemade from scratch strawberry lemonade. This is going to keep you hydrated, feeling sweet and tart and sugary and gorgeous all summer long. This is the perfect summer drink. I definitely want to be making this for the 4th of July because it comes out this really cute pinky red color. Really, really fun for the summer and a really special treat that you can make for yourself or anyone around you. Thank you guys so much for watching. My Instagram and my TikTok, the measurements of everything, and my other YouTube channel will be in the description bar, so check that out and leave any other comments of stuff that you want to see in the future. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!